Welcome to Money's Ain't Right Garage. I'm Jim McNeill. Continuation of this tire removal off of this B2400 Kubota. I'm going to put this new tire on that rim. We're going to take this old one off. I don't have my typical spoons that I use, so we've got this device, a maul, and a not so sharp pointed screwdriver, long blade. So let's see what we can do. This looks like it's going to break around the B, which it is on this side. Let's flip it over. Yeah, there's the blowout, so that should be pretty easy there. We're just going to grip this down in here. See if we can start working this off of here. Let's see what we can come up with. You would think it would be easy because it's ripped, but of course it's not going to be. Looks like somebody's put some fix-a-flat in here. It's all gummy. There we go. Walk right on around here. Okay, that's one side off. Yep, they got fix-a-flat on here. That's okay. Try to get this off without getting the fix-a-flat on me. It's a feat in itself. Let's see what we got here. There we go. Here we go. We got something going here now. Let's look and see if this new tire here is going to be directional in any way. I don't believe that it is, but we'll look. Almost got my money's out of this tire. Almost. All right. See if we can get this new one on. We'll do the old drop down rim into the tire itself, see if that works. That on that side. Let's see if we can pop this out. This will give you a workout now. time. Let's see what we can come up with. Okay. A little bit here, and then we'll put that valve stem back in and see if we can inflate this tire. See how it seats on the rim here. Might have to put a band around this to press this out, but we'll see. Let's get the core back in it. Valve stem core. And see what we come up with here. Might get loud here for a minute once I get that air compressor going here. But we'll see. Okay. Walk over here and grab this. Sure it's coming around the back and everywhere else. Yeah. What I'm doing is trying to push it down on the back side of the rim. Use my weight. Trying to get it seated. Okay, we're going to go ahead and inflate this tire up now. Now that it's seated on the rim. It looks like we'll put 35 pounds in there. Okay, according to this gauge, that's all good. and mount it back on the tractor. Should be good. After we get this mounted, we'll tighten it up. Okay, I think we'll go ahead and wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you again for watching Money's Ain't Right Garage.